Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at the first CBD blanket. This is a blanket that's actually infused with CBD oil. And the way they do that is through a process called microencapsulation. So think about like these little tiny capsules infused into this blanket. And what happens is when it comes into contact with your skin and you rub against this blanket, those capsules release CBD oil and then it's absorbed into your skin. So it's probably one of the most passive ways to experience the effects of CBD without having to swallow a pill or a tincture. Now you also get their balm, the CBD balm, which is about 500 milligrams of CBD as a bonus gift when you purchase the blanket. This is about a $75 value, and it's just a cream that you just rub onto your skin just like you normally would with any skin cream. So if you want a more pronounced effect, this also comes with it and you can add that. Getting back to the blanket itself retails for $295, which is pretty expensive for a blanket, don't get me wrong. But you are getting a blanket that will release CBD into your skin. So that's something that really you can't get anywhere else right now. This blanket is intentionally thin. You'll notice that not very thick. It's not like a comforter. It's really just like a throw blanket. It's mostly polyester with some rayon, a little bit of cotton in there. It's nice and stretchy. I do like that. It's very soft. But the reason I think they made it thin is that you can use it year round. If you want to use it in the summer, on a summer evening, you can do it without getting overheated. Now, in terms of size, it's not terribly big. Like I said, pretty much like a throw blanket type size. Works perfect for your lap. Obviously not something that you're going to, put across your bed, but great for, chilling out with Netflix every night. This blanket, according to the website, will last 20 washes. So yes, it is washable. What they ask you to do is wash it in cold water and then air dry it. And that'll preserve it for up to 20 to 22 washes, which is the equivalent of about 2 years of use. So if you break down 2 years of use across that $290 spend, it's actually not terribly expensive, considering the equivalent of buying $80 to $100 tinctures every month or two. So in terms of how I felt with this blanket, I've been using it for about a week. I'd say the benefits aren't as pronounced as ingesting a tincture, but you will notice a nice subtle effect. And like I said, if you want a more pronounced effect, you can always go with a balm. But I'd say anybody new to trying CBD, this is just a great way to try it because you can use it and it's not going to feel overwhelming at all. And the bonus part is you just get a nice calming blanket. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com and we've got the full review along with the latest discounts.